Welcome to another video of 360 Money. In this video, we are going to explore the features and offers of Slice Bank Account. Slice is a bank account which is presented by Northeast Small Finance Bank, and I hope you guys have enjoyed our detailed walkthrough in the last video. Now we are going to do another walkthrough where we are actually exploring the mobile application features of Slice Bank Account. First of all, the major salient feature of Slice Bank Account is you can always earn up to 6.25% interest per annum in this bank account. While other major banks like SBI, HDFC offers interest rates from 1% to 3% for a savings account, Slice or Northeast Small Finance Bank offers a revolutionary interest rate compared to these banks. And in this bank account application, which is actually very user friendly, you can always see your transactions using the passbook feature, right as you are seeing right now. Actually, there is no requirement for a web application or a website to manage your complete banking right now because Slice app has everything in it. And you can see your transactions, you can filter it out based on current month transactions, past few months transactions, etc. very easily using the Slice application itself. That's why you don't need a passbook anymore because you have everything in your mobile using the Slice application. This application is very user friendly and very much intuitive in the design so that you will love how everything is designed just for you. Now, we can also explore other prominent features of this application in this video, but make sure that you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned with notifications enabled as well. So you can see my balance over here, as well as I can always add or change my nominee information in the app itself. You can always select a payee and you can always configure your payments via the app itself. You can use IMPS, NEFT or UPI to do the transactions via the same application by adding a payee as well. You can always recharge your balance or create fixed deposits with this particular application itself. Slice aka Northeast Small Finance Bank offers competitive interest rates as well. 9% interest rates for your fixed deposit is something which is very rare that a small finance bank offers you these days. And when talking about public or private sector banks, you can never expect a 9% return for 1 year deposits. And you can very easily create your deposits by using the application interface and add the money as on the go. Whether you are senior citizen or not, Slice offers 9% fixed deposit rates for 1.5 years and 3 years deposits respectively. Other deposits also have 8% or 7.5% interest rates based on the time to time basis. Also, Slice, you can very easily earn your rewards and earn additional cashback every month by just using Slice to transfer the money and also just to get the interest rates in your savings bank account literally every day. This bank account application also provides you detailed analytics of how your expenses are, where you are spending your money, and how much you are spending on each category or a particular transaction as well. Also, in this application, you can use it for paying your utility bills or recharges very easily by using Slice application's UPI feature. Slice inbuilt UPI features help you to analyze your spends as well as you can always check credit score using Slice application. You can get real-time CIBIL updates just by using your Slice application. Also, Slice provides suggestions to improve your credit score as well. Another feature in the Slice banking application is something that makes your life easier for paying somebody automatically, literally every month or on a fixed duration. You can always set auto pay using the Slice application for this purpose. Also, you can use autopay feature to schedule your bill payments and recharges. Right now, I have not scheduled any autopay, so you cannot see any of the transactions in my application interface. Another part is Slice is very convenient to send money, as well as you can always accept money from people by using your Slice QR code. For sending out money with respect to Slice application, just enter the amount, choose the UPI ID and pay it. Now you can see Slice borrow account, which is for loans. I'm not using it. And now let's go to the activity tab of Slice, where you can literally see every activity, including the daily savings account interest credits, which has been happening into my account. So I have clicked on that particular transaction for seeing all the transactions of daily interest credits in my account for March. Based on the end of the day balance in your account, Slice app actually credits you the interest rates daily. So Slice interest rates are also based on RBI repo rates. Right now RBI repo stands at 6.25, so you can earn 6.25 per annum. Another feature is you can see fires over here. Fire is another way of earning cashback via Slice. Whenever you are paying your friends or family using Slice application, you can just play fire game and earn cashback. Amazing feature of Slice fire game is whenever you are paying somebody, you are always earning cashback. And you can earn twice cashback whenever you are paying some merchants. So you can always see my cashbacks over here. Right now you can see my account activity and also account information analytics on the same tab as well. So Slice provides powerful analytics mechanism. Also, it's very easy to track your transactions in the Slice application. Now let's go to the invite and earn feature of Slice application. Right now you can earn up to 500 rupees by inviting your friends, and if you are not using Slice it, you can use our invite link to claim cashback up to 500 rupees as well. Right now I'm just showing you how to claim the cashback by inviting your friends. This is actually the Slice game which I was talking about. This is the Slice fire game. So whenever you are inviting your friends or whenever you get invited, if you are carefully playing this game, you can earn up to 500 rupees amazing cashback as well. Right now I have invited a lot of friends, so the app is not giving me a lot of cashback. I just want 7 rupees for an invite. But if you are inviting your friends or if you are actually accepting our invite, you can get a good potential amount of cashback up to 500 rupees. So this is pretty much it about the invite and earn offer. Now let's see how the Slice account is very beneficial for all of us. So whoever using regular bank accounts, I would always suggest them to switch to Slice, mainly because of the competitive interest rates offered by the application and Northeast Small Finance Bank. Since it's a registered bank under RBI, your money is always safe and also subject to DICGC insurance up to 5 lakhs of deposits. So if you have some excess money, I would always suggest using Slice Bank to store your money so that you can get daily interest rates, also the interest rates based on RBI repo rates of 6.25%, which is a competitive and highly paid interest right now available in India for a savings bank account. I would also challenge you, if you know any such bank accounts that gives 6.25 interest rates and pays interest daily, you can comment and let me know. So Slice is an amazing bank application. As of now, it is very easy to use Slice interface. Also manage everything including your account by just using the mobile application, and I am very satisfied with the Slice services it offers. If you don't have a Slice account now, apply right now by clicking onto our link and entering our code to claim your invite and earn cashback. Also start inviting your friends to the Slice bank account so that Slice bank account gets successful. Also they will pay you more rewards going forward. And how Slice is paying this much interest rates? That's a good question or an FAQ that is for you. So Slice has AI enabled systems which will optimize their expenses, and that expenses they are saving, they are actually transferring to us in form of rewards and money. If you like this video and walkthrough, please subscribe this channel, enable the notifications icon, and also you can comment your responses or thoughts about the Slice bank account. Do you like this video? Do you like the Slice bank account? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for new updates from 360 Money.